Day 13. Remember that shiny floor? And 24 hours dry time. She's looking not too bad. There's that one bug. And this little trail here was another bug. It started right here and it did a little, and there's the bug right there. I'm gonna leave it there as a warning to the other bugs. Well, I don't know about you, but I went on to have a very productive day. I even made myself some unsweet tea, because needed the refreshment on this day. What are you doing here? That's set up for tomorrow. It's Friday night. Most of the yard work is done, the eggs are collected, gates locked. Enjoy your weekend. This has been a Herb Jones production.